Hello and welcome to OptinMonster. Our WordPress plugin makes it easy to manage your OptinMonster campaigns right within the dashboard. Be sure to check out the links we leave in the description and hit that subscribe button and notification bell. In this video, I'll show you how to install the OptinMonster for WordPress plugin so you can get started creating your new campaigns quickly and easily. But first, a few things to note before we begin. The OptinMonster for WordPress plugin is available for download for free from the WordPress plugin repository. If you already have an OptinMonster account, go ahead and sign in before installing the plugin. Now, let's get started. From your WordPress site's admin panel, navigate to the Add New screen from the Plugins menu. Search for OptinMonster and select the Install Now button. Once installed, click Activate. After you've activated the plugin, you will see a new OptinMonster tab within your WordPress dashboard's left navigation. Click OptinMonster, then click Launch the Setup Wizard. First, I'll cover connecting your existing account. If you don't have an OptinMonster account yet, hang with me for a minute and I'll cover creating a new account next. To connect your OptinMonster account, select Connect your existing account. In the pop-up modal, either log into your existing OptinMonster account or simply connect to the account you're already logged into. After connecting to your existing account, you'll return to the OptinMonster dashboard within your WordPress website. All of your existing campaigns will be accessible, and you can create new campaigns from the dashboard too. Now, let's cover creating a new account. To begin, click Launch the Setup Wizard, and then click Claim your free account. Next, answer a few questions about your website that will help us suggest the best OptinMonster features to match your needs. After you've answered those questions, click Create a free account. Complete the registration form, including your name, email address, and credit card information. Now, you may ask, if I'm registering for a free account, why do you need my credit card information? And that's a great question. We require a credit card in case you'd like to upgrade, or in the event your account exceeds the campaign impressions available to it. And that's it. Congratulations! You've connected the OptinMonster for WordPress plugin to your new OptinMonster account. Be sure to register for one of our live demos we offer each week, or jump right in by clicking Create your first campaign. If you have any questions, please look through our helpful documentation. Or, for further assistance, you can submit a support ticket and we'd be happy to help.